Hi all, hope you're doing good today. I'm going to do an ocean beach sunset pour. I have this taped off up here because I want the horizon on the water to be straight. So I'll have to do the sunset part in a couple days, and I'll put it at the end of this video. I did a controlled swipe beach pour. See that? Before. Really didn't start off as that, but it ended up as that. I call this one Maui. And so I'm going to try it again. I have all kinds of different colors. I can't even tell you because I've mixed so many colors to make the colors that I want for the water and for the beach. But at the end of the video, I'll just take a picture of all the colors I use, and I really don't know which ones I mixed with what. And over here, I have some sunset colors that I might put as a part of the water pour, maybe as a reflection, but I need to put that in here now. So I don't know how long this is going to take, but let's get started. So I want to use the darker blue on the horizon, and then I'll get lighter as we come down, and then probably this much beach. So let's get started. And I'm going to do a controlled swipe. Most of these do have either metallic in the paint, or I added the metallic, what is it, the Artist Loft iridescent medium. A little bit in some of the colors that weren't metallic. So what I did is when I mixed the colors, I ended up putting a little bit of each color in the next color, just so it would blend a little better. This has some Phthalo Blue in it. I put, and some Deco Art, what is that color? Sapphire? Blue Sapphire Metallic. I really love that color. This is the white that has the silicone in it. So I'm just going to put that on here and there. String it on. Bigger chunks as it gets closer. And then after, I'll do some waves, hopefully. Okay, for the beach, I'm going to do that right now. I got 3 different tones, and I'm going to put this tone, there's like 4 different kinds of gold in here, including 24 karat. I'm going to pour that right along the water line. Probably spread it out. Okay. Then I'm going to put some little bit dark right on top of this. Just a little bit of dark. When the sand's wet, it's a little darker. So I'm just going to go with a little bit of dark here. And then as it dries out, it's a little bit of, a little whiter golden. put some Floetrol only right here below this last band of white. See what happens. No color, just clear. I will end up putting a nice line right along the edge, a foamy part. Right now I can't think of what I can do to make it stay. If I had a little tiny bottle, which I probably do, I might stop it at the end and go ahead and put a little bead of white there and then tilt it a little bit. But for now, that's the way it is. Alright, I'm going to fix the sides and then I'll bring you down. Okay, I want a little more hard edge on the beach, so what I'm doing is just dipping a little piece of paper and going along the edge here, just so I can smooth out, get a little darker right on the edge of the sand, right on. If it doesn't stay there, what you can do is use your Posca pens and outline it a little better. But I'm going to bring you down now. Okay, here's a close-up. I think I might do a series on Big Island beaches, the Big Island of Hawaii, and I'm calling this one Hapuna, one of my favorite beaches. And I'll be pouring there for about 2.5 months starting in January. I probably won't be able to do any big pieces, but I will do some little ones. Fixed all the sides. Yeah, I really like this piece. I'll at the end I will show you what the sunset looks like. Okay, I'm back. It's been a couple days since I've done the ocean part with the waves, and I had that tape on the horizon. I took it off and it did bleed through. So I took some titanium white yesterday and just painted along the edge to get that dark color because I knew it was going to show through. And just now I used some of the sunset colors, and I just took a brush and went right along that horizon line. Before we get started, if you could do me a favor and push that subscribe button right down here. That's just a way that you can support me. Maybe push the notification bell so I can keep doing these videos for you. I would appreciate it. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and, so I have these four colors. This is Artist Loft Red. I think this is Creative Inspirations Cadmium Orange. This is Orange Yellow, Creative Inspirations. This is Quinacridone from Creative Inspirations. Now I did put some in the little cups, and in the little cups I put 1 drop of treadmill silicone in just the cups over here because I don't want a whole lot, but I do want some cells coming up. So also these colors may have mixed a little bit of each in these, so they're not exact. So let's get started. So I want to go from light to dark, and at the end I may put a little bit of gray up here, but I'm just going to wait and see what happens. So first I want to start with, and then I'm going to blend them. So I want to start with this color. I am going to put a little more yellow. On this side, because I'm going to say that's where the sun actually went down, on the left side of the canvas. I've never done it like this before, so you're learning right along with me. Okay. I don't know. Hopefully that's enough for a few cells anyway. And the red. I'm hoping to maybe do a series of the Big Island beaches, so who knows. I probably will, so stay tuned if you enjoy this kind of pour. And you know what? I need to start somewhere, like over here. Get enough paint. Alright. Let's do it. Just hope this is not too heavy. That's okay if I don't. Get it down. Okay. Well, that looks pretty good. It's sort of easy to fill in these areas. I just thought it would be a really hard to, if I didn't tape it off, hard to keep that line straight. So that's just how I do it. I don't know how other people do it, but it should be pretty easy to just... I do see sunsets like this in Hawaii. So since this one is called Hapuna, which is one of my favorite beaches. Okay, I'm finished touching up the sides, and here's the finished painting. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And hopefully there'll be another ocean pour coming up soon. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, I wanted to give you a little close-up. Thank you for watching.